Howdy Ursaboy fans, welcome to another video. Don't worry, I won't be talking like that this whole time, but since we're dealing with hats, you know, one thing led to another, and then, alright, if I can fit my foot over, one thing led to another, and then I was fully booted up, you know. Just know how it be, my Texas boy things. But anyways, today, that was not the point of the video. As you can see, we're ironing. I'm not being ironic, we are actually ironing today. We're doing this exact hat right here. I picked it up in the thrift store for like $1. It's brand new, you see it still has a cardboard in it, and I just saw this as a canvas for some beautiful art. Today we're going to be ironing on patches, but you don't have to iron them on. Here I have these are iron on, but you can also like sew them or glue them. But to me, the easiest would be to glue, but this will not last as long. This is kind of just more for touch-ups, and so because I want it to last, I'm gonna use these. And I picked up some different ones, but I'm not gonna be using them all. I'm actually today gonna be using these race cars, like the Flames a lot. These were like maybe $3 each, and I'm just gonna put these on the sides, but on the front, as you can see from my belt buckle, yup, we are going with Harley Davidson. And you're like, how are you gonna put this whole bag on your hat? Well, I'm gonna iron it, duh. No, we are gonna use this patch. So basically this bag I thrifted, it was in my last thrift haul, I believe. It's not an actual Harley Davidson bag, someone made this, so thank you to them. And they sewed these on, but they are iron-on patches, as I can see. Like, you can see where they have like the Harley Davidson logo on the back where it's ironed on. And so basically I'm gonna just use my knife, my Harley Davidson collectible knife, that's right. And I'm just gonna cut this off, and then we're gonna put it on my head. Alright, I was able to get it off fairly easy, and I'm really hoping this is actually an iron-on. It's kind of sticky on the back, so I think it is, but this was stitched on. Hopefully it works, but don't worry about this bag. I'm gonna use this side too on another thing, maybe some jeans on a jacket or something. We'll see. Maybe that'll be a future video, but I'm still gonna like reuse the bag, give it to someone, you know, not wasting it. But we're gonna put this on the hat now. So this is actually the first time I'm doing this. I've ironed stuff on before, but never on a hat, so I'm hoping it goes right. You know, learn it along with me, but this is still a tutorial because, you know, I'm a master of all trades. So basically this is a towel that I've just wrapped in over some cardboard so that it's like stiff, and I can hold it, like be safe. So you want to hold it like firm against right here, and then you just want to be careful. Hold it firm. Make sure you put the thing right in the center or where you want it. So just check that out. That's gonna look beautiful. I just want to make sure it's like lined up, and that I don't burn my hand, because, you know, swag like this, it may be worth it if you burn your hand, but it's, shoot, I don't know. So here we go. We're just gonna press it right on. This looks to be the middle. This has been heating for a minute. You want it pretty high heat, and hopefully this works. So, shoot, I'm really trying not to touch the iron. Is it sticking? I think it is. I think we're in luck. So I think you want to hold it on each section. You want to circle it, but you want to circle it on, but you don't want to like put the whole thing on. You want to do it in sections, but each section you might want to do like 20-30 seconds each. Hopefully it stays on, but like I showed you, I do have some glue if it doesn't. I don't, like, I was gonna just glue it and like wear it myself, but if I wanted to sell it, I don't want them to like have the patch fall off and then, you know, ruin my career. Alright, this is getting hot and I don't know if it's sticking. Shoot. Alright, well, now I have reason to believe that this is not an iron-on actually after all, and I might have just destroyed this bag for no reason, but don't worry, we're still going to put it on. I'm going to just use the glue, and hopefully it stays on. This could like damage the hat and something, but Like I said, I spent like $1 on this. I'm not using it, so it's brand new. I'm just gonna glue it on. Maybe put some iron on after. We'll see. But this, you see the difference. This is actually ironed on. You can see like the rubberish type of material that's gonna melt. This I thought was that, but it's really not. Like right here, you can see there's like some glue here. Maybe that was, but I'm gonna guess not. So I'm just gonna try and glue it. But just to show y'all, this is an actual iron-on. So I'm kind of worried about you putting on the mesh right here, but like I said, whatever. You just kind of gotta risk it for the biscuit sometimes. So I'm gonna try and do this. Alright, check it out. Good news, the hat did not melt. It's actually stuck on there. This is actually an iron-on. You know, the one I bought, luckily, was actually one. And it's on there, so now we just gotta do the other side. Alright, now we got one on both sides. They're good and on there, you know, that's not coming off. At least for, you know, a good minute or so. No, this will definitely last for a while, you know. I've washed stuff with like irons on and it lasts, you know. And I'm not planning on washing this hat. I'm sorry, like, might be a little gross, but, you know, I don't wash my hats every time I wear them. Also, I don't really wear hats, but, you know, I mean, I have to rock the one I made, right? If this goes on, right? So, basically, this went smooth, but, this, I'm just going to try and glue. I'm going to put a whole bunch of glue on the back, maybe put some iron on, and just hope for the best. So, you know, pray for me. Okay, that might have been my death of me because this says extremely flammable on here. Putting a really hot iron against extremely flammable glue, you know, that just doesn't add up. So we are just going to go for the glue and hope for the best. Alright, it got a little messy on the edges because, you know, it's glue, but it is on there. Also, this is premium fabric glue. Any fabric glue will do, I think. This is just from Walmart, you know, the usual, but it is on there. And so I showed y'all the fit for the, you know, the whole e-haul thing, you know. Thank you, ladies, thank you. But now that I have this hat, I gotta show you this fit. Okay, check it out. You know, got the Harley Dragon, and you already know the humongous logo on back. Hopefully you can see that, but yep, you gotta get the 360 for the cars too. Harley up on top. Not gonna lie, I usually don't wear any hats. I never wear hats, but this is gonna change things. Cause just look at this. It came out so beautiful, you know. It kind of went wrong. Almost started a fire, you know, but it came out beautiful, didn't it? I'm very proud of this. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this, rocking it. I like the flames, even though, you know, Harley is motorcycle. You got the flaming Harley cars, you know. That's the new update. But anyways, I really like it. I really love the fit. But how about this? Check it out. My custom made Yeezy. Still shirt. I was still gonna like touch this up, add some more layers. I still haven't. Also, this isn't my size. That's why it fits a bit goofy, but you know, it just goes too well. Like, shoot, I'm just so proud of this, you know. I'm very inspired. I hope you're inspired. I hope you want to make your hat now. Get yourself a trucker hat. Get yourself a camo trucker hat. Don't do this exact hat, or I will come for you. But do one just like this. And it's very easy, like with some simple steps. This is the first time I did this, and it was a big success. So thank y'all for watching. More vids coming. Stay 100.